Hey, is that Bill?
Yeah,
Do you remember me from school?
I'm sorry. I don't remember you. Did we study together?
Yes, and we lived in the same door too.
Really? What floor did we live on?
I lived in the ninth floor. You lived in the seventh floor.
That's right. How did you know?
I would see you in the elevator sometimes.
I am sorry. I don't remember you.
It's all right. It was several years ago.
Well, anyway, it's nice to meet you again.
Monica.
Monica Sales, right?
Yeah, see, so you do remember me.
Okay. So, where do you live now?
I live in an apartment.
Do you live with your parents?
No, my parents moved to the country.
They must be very happy there.
Yes, they enjoyed very much.
So, do you live alone?
No, I shared the apartment with an old friend.
Really? A friend is he a boyfriend?
No, she's an old friend from school, and we have known each other for many years.
How about you, Bill? Where do you live?
This is, I think we have written this one twice. This was my statement, and here I have made a mistake. ये मेरा ही statement होगा, right? How
Okay.
about you, Bill? Where do you live?
Oh, I live in apartment by myself.
Do you like it there?
Yeah, but it's kind of noisy.
Oh, maybe you should complain with your neighbors.
Oh, no, no. I am the one who make the noise.
Great.